What's up, YouTube? Let me say, you're not a car guy. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you don't go on an on-ramp, like a track, and you don't accelerate full. So we're gonna do a little pull here. Rolling in the range. The ZF tranny is completely different than DSG. There's no slop. It's way more reliable, and I love the way it shifts. It's quick, it's responsive, and also the air ride on the range, honestly, there's no body roll. It's honestly like a car on stilts, a sports car on stilts. No body roll. The air ride really evens it out, and honestly, it's just an unbelievable car. It's safe, performance is there, and it's comfy. It's so comfy. Tomorrow, yeah, don't mind the windshield. Getting new wipers tomorrow. Another little tip, if you don't already know, to save money is you don't always have to get dealer recommended parts. So tomorrow we purchased through our buddy Nick, 400 North Tuning, wiper blades. They're Bosch wipers, half the price of OEM ones, and these are OEM spec. Half the price, does the exact same thing. So don't always be fooled by the dealer. They're called dealerships. So just another tip if you didn't know. So yeah, here's a little POV of just cruising. No, we're at gas right now. So gas in Canada is crazy right now. But yeah, little interior shot. Air freshener, black ice and vanilla scent. DM us if interested. Also have crew necks, hoodies, t-shirts, all for sale. You'll see some more of those on Instagram, 905 Street Kings. Basically the same username for everything: TikTok, YouTube. Email is 905streetkings@gmail.com. So yeah. The new iPhone really has good quality. But yeah, we'll do a little install after. Just unclip it and put the new wipers in. Nothing too crazy. Still trying to find intakes for the Range Rover. Can't find any. And I'd like to get a tune. Oh yeah, actually also, we are a provider of DME tuning. It's a great brand that does the best tunes on really nice cars, high-end supercars to your dailies. Good pricing. We're a Canadian provider for DME tuning. So if you want to tune for your car, reach out to us via whatever you want, and we'll download that tune, get a nice custom tune so you can love your car even more. So yeah, that's a wrap. This little video. Stay tuned for what's next. Send us a follow on Instagram. We're more active on there since it's winter time now. We're gonna get a lot of track days next car season, will come spring. Might have a new track car coming in. Can't tell you yet because it's still in the works. So we'll have 2 of our vehicles. And we got a lot of big things coming. So stay tuned. Tell your friends about us, and there'll be some prizes coming as well. But yeah, great content is on its way. Stay tuned. Don't forget, 905 Street Kings.